Spend the most magical day with me for Easter and spring. I am so excited to share this video with you. Today we're going to have a little bath, make a delicious little drink, make a cinnamon a bunny and decorate it. We're going to make a little bunny cake with some bunny ears and a blossom flower. Have some delicious treats, make a bunny egg, watch Bambi. Read a little bit and have some sweet dreams. The first thing that I love to do is to wake up in my beautiful princess bed early in the morning to celebrate Easter and spring. Have a nice and relaxing bath with a little Easter bath bomb. I got this adorable Easter egg bath bombs. These are so adorable and they smell heavenly. I found them from TK Maxx and they have the shape like a little eggs. They're so adorable. I just love them so much. Make a drink in the most adorable little bunny mug. I found this adorable mug from the Tesco. I add some coffee and some hot water. Then I add some milk. And to finish it off, I love to add some cream. I just love to have some cream in my hot drink. And then I add some pink sprinkles to make it look extra more pretty and extra more festive. I just love this little bunny mug. It's so adorable. So today we're going to make a bunny shaped cinnamon roll. I just made this little cinnamon roll and it's shaped like a little bunny. I think it's so adorable. Now I'm going to decorate the cinnamon bunny with some white melted buttercream. I use a little brush because I think it's easier to decorate it. I used some white buttercream for the little face. I thought it was so adorable. I also added some light pink buttercream for the ears so you can see the little ears. I thought it looks so cute. And it already looks a little bit like a bunny to me. Now we're going to make a little bunny face. So I add some edible eyes. I found this little eyes from the Tesco. Then I add a little fondant nose in like a pretty pink color, and I added a little pink blossom on the ear for decoration. I am so in love with how this little bunny cinnamon roll turned out. It's the most delicious little treat and the perfect little treat for Easter and spring. I just love it so much. I just love his little eyes and his little nose and the little ears. I think it's so adorable. Such a lovely little treat for the Easter and spring. I also had a little mini bundt cake which smells heavenly, and I added some pink melted buttercream on top. I think it looks so adorable. The perfect little cake for the Easter and spring season. Then I add some adorable little bunny ears. I found this little bunny ears from the Etsy. I think they're so adorable. Such a lovely little cake, and I added a little blossom on there as well to celebrate the spring season. I think it looks so adorable. Such a cute little bunny cake. I just love to have some delicious treats for spring and Easter. I'm so in love with how this little cake turned out with the little ears. I just love these little adorable treats for Easter. A little bunny cinnamon bun that we just made, and a little cake with the bunny ears and a little blossom a flower which looks so adorable. I just love this little setup, and I just love to have some delicious treats, especially for the spring and Easter season. Such a delicious little treats inspired by Easter and spring. I'm so in love with this adorable little bunny. It's so cute. Decorate a beautiful little Easter egg. I always wanted to make a little egg like this. I decided to add some pink roses in some beautiful vintage colors. I just love how it turned out. I think that it looks so pretty and so shabby chic, and it's a little bit inspired by Coquette as well. I love it so much. I think it's so much fun to decorate a little egg and to make it look very pretty. Such a fun little activity for Easter and spring. I am so in love with how this little egg turned out. I just love the pretty florals and the pretty lace. Such a lovely little details. I always wanted to make one of those eggs, and I'm so excited with how beautiful it turned out. I just love to watch Bambi in the spring. I think he's so adorable with his little friend, Thumper. And yeah, I just love to watch Bambi, especially in the spring season. This is one of my most favorite scenes from Bambi. It's so adorable. I just love the little flowers. They're so pretty, and they really remind me of spring. Such a lovely movie to watch. And it really reminds me of my childhood because I used to watch Bambi when I was little all the time. So it's such a lovely little thing to do, to go on an afternoon, make some delicious treats, and to watch Bambi. He's so adorable with his little friends. So today we're going to DIY a little felt bunny. I found this little bunny from TK Maxx, and I thought it will be such an adorable activity to do for the Easter and spring season. It was very easy to make and really fun as well. I thought it was so much fun to make this little bunny, and I think I can use this every year for Easter, so I can hang it in my little Easter tree. I'm so in love with how it turned out. I was really surprised with myself that it turned out so adorable. And yeah, again, it's such a lovely activity for the Easter season and the spring season to make an adorable little bunny from felt. So after this magical day, I'm going to bed. Before I'm going to bed, I love to read a little bit and have a delicious cup of tea with a little treat like a pink macaroon. Go to sleep and have some sweet dreams. I just love to fall asleep and have some sweet dreams about this magical day. So this was my video for how to spend the most magical day on spring and Easter. I hope I can inspire you. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you very soon with some new inspiration. Thank you so much. Bye!